Hello everybody and welcome back to K Tutoring. Hope everybody is well. This is another video from the reasoning series. So let's begin. In this circle, the question says 1/4 and 1/6 are shaded. So in this circle, 1/4 and 1/6 are shaded. What fraction of the whole circle is not shaded? So first of all, what we need to find out is how much is shaded, which you can see here. And there's a 1/4 there. So a circle is split into 4. So if you split that into 4, there's 1 there. There'll be 1, that's 2. This portion here will be 3, and that will be 4. So 4/4 makes a whole. So we're just going to focus on the first part here. 1/4 and 1/6 are shaded. So how much is shaded altogether initially? So if we start here, so 1/4 add, oh, that's wrong, 1/4 is better, and 1/6, and how we have to add this up. So 1/4 and 1/6 is equal to, now if you've seen my other videos, my previous videos on arithmetic, some fractions there, how to work out fractions with the same denominator, different denominators. If you watch those videos, you can see how I do fractions. But I'll show you again anyway. For this particular one, the two denominators are totally different. So what do we do? Now to get the bottom denominator, we have to times the two numbers together. So let's just put 0 on top for the moment, just for the moment. So 4 times 6 is 24. Yep, excellent. And the top, what do we do? So we times the bottom to get the denominator, and then we do crisscross. Crisscross. So we start from the left. 1 times 6 is 6. And then 1 times 4 is 4. That's all you do. So you do times the bottom for the denominator, the two numbers together, and then you do crisscross, which is what I call it. So 1 times 6 is 6, and 1 times 4 is 4. Now in the middle, you have to put the sign, whichever is here, the plus or the minus. So as there's a plus there, we're going to put a plus on top. That's all you do. Now, if you continue that, 6 add 4 is 10 over 24. And that's it. So it said in the circle, 1/4 and 1/6 are shaded. We did that. 1/4 and 1/6, how much is shaded altogether? We'll work that out. So you times the two numbers together for the denominator. And you do criss. So 1 times 6 is 6. 1 times 4 is 4. And you add them together. So 6 add 4 is 10 over 24. Now, how much is left? So now, how much is left? So that's 10 out of 24 is shaded. 10 out of 24. So what we need to do is, so what's not shaded? We know 24 is going to be out at the bottom because it's 10 parts out of 24. So how much is left from 10 to 24? 14. 14. So how much is left? So I'm going to put here 14 out of 24. Do you get that? Yeah, because 1/4 and 1/6 is equal to 10 over 24. But how much is left? There's 14 out of 24. Because if you add these together, you get 24 over 24, which equals 1/2. That's really, really easy. It looks complicated when you see the circle and you see some shaded parts and then think how much is left. So the question says, what fraction of the whole circle is not shaded? Yeah. So it's tricky. It looks tricky, but it's not. What you do is you add up what you have. So what you have is 1/6 and 1/6. And I showed you how to work that out, which gives me 10 over 24. And then what's left is 14 over 24, because 14 over 24, if you add these together, will become 24 over 24, which is a whole. And that's it. It's so straightforward. You just have to make this 10 out of 24 the same as 24 out of 24. So it's 14 out of 24. I hope that was easy to understand. So add the numbers together, see what you got left. So 10 portions out of 24, you got 14 left. And then to make sure if you add them together, the shaded and the not shaded, you have 24 over 24, which is a whole, and that is it. That's your answer. So your answer there is that 14 out of 24 is not shaded. And that is it. So I hope you're enjoying these videos. I hope this was easy to understand. Another question from a past paper reading year 6 test. And that is it. Thank you very much for your attention, for your time. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.